Man, I just love watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. It's a good show on Disney Junior. Mom, why do you turn off the TV? I was in the middle of watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Because, Natalia, look at time. It is 10 p.m. It's bedtime. Now come on, go upstairs and go to bed now. My gosh, I can't believe my mom turned off the TV while I was watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And it was almost finished. Oh well, I will watch it after school tomorrow. We'll get to bed now. You know what? I will sneak in Natalia's room and stare at her while she's sleeping. Ha 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 ha. Now let's stare closely at her. Hey. You know what? I am going to kiss her. Natalia, is there something wrong? Hang on, Natalia the puppet. Why are you in your sister's bedroom? Well, Mom, she kissed me on the cheek. Not only that, I heard footsteps and she whispering. Oh my God, Natalia the sock pet. Are you freaking serious right now? I can't believe you stare and kiss your sister on the cheek while she's sleeping. That's it. You're grounded until school starts. Go back in your room and go to bed now.